resigned. It is time to get back to work. I'm resigned to get back to work. It is time to get back to football. Back to work. I still kept the belief.
We never gave up.
I still kept the belief, which is hard to believe. It takes belief.
I'm proud of our team.
We kept the belief.
We never let things easy.
They always say the grass is green on the other side. When I'm watering the grass, it's gonna be green.
I've tried and I've tried and I've tried. You could say I've wasted 2 years of my life.
David lifted in the air tonight. He's going out and it's time to fight.
That's all the game's played.
They're gonna whine and complain. They're gonna think that like
You gotta look at this.
substandard officiating.
You're gonna end the game like this? But ceiling.
It is time to get back to work.
And I managed to make my dream come true.
At 42, it's just
A little adrenaline boost.
It is time to get back to work. I'm resigned to get back to work. It is time to get back to work.
The Titanic blast. It's back. Titanic blast. It's gone. The Titanic blast. Back.
Wow. I got power.
What kind of move can you make?
I don't know.
What kind of freaking move can you make?
I don't know.
What kind of
Words.
can you say it?
I don't know.
What kind of freaking
Words.
can you say it?
And then there's the beard.
And it looks weird.
How's the beard?
On my face. I do get morning beard, but at the same time,
It was filled with a lot of compromise.
I got the bow tie.
It is time to
Fear the beard.
It is time to get back to
Weird.
I'm a cyborg. I don't need a computer. Wow. I can use my brain.
It is time to get back to work. I'm resigned to get back to work. It is time to get back to work. Back to work. I still kept the belief.
We never gave up.
I still kept the belief, which is hard to believe. It takes belief. It's just one of those special days.
I wanted to see how it tastes.
How's the beard?
There's garden gnomes cutting down trees in this quadrant.